مرحبا أهلا وسهلا أنا جهيد. Hi, how are you? I'm Jaheed. Welcome to my channel. Let's learn Arabic with Jaheed Institute of International Languages. In this lesson we will learn past form of to be verb in Arabic. Are you ready? Let's start. Past form of to be verb in Arabic is كان or كان. كنت I was. كنا we were. كنت you were. For male it is singular. كنت you were. For female it is singular. كنتما you were. For two persons. كنتم you were. For masculine plural. كنتن you were. Feminine plural. كان he was. كانت she was. كان they were. For two persons. For male. كانتا they were. For two persons. For female. كانوا they were. For masculine plural. كنا they were. For feminine plural. For making negative form, we put the prefix of ma before the verb or at the beginning of the verb. Also, we can use the prefix lam before the present form of to be. Look at the examples. ما كنت or لم أكن. It means I wasn't. ما كنا or لم نكن. We weren't. ما كنت or لم تكن. You weren't. For male. ما كنت or لم تكوني. You weren't. For female. ما كنتما or لم تكونا. You weren't. For two persons. ما كنتم or لم تكونوا. You weren't. For masculine plural. ما كنتن or لم تكن. You weren't. For feminine plural. ما كان or لم يكن. He wasn't. ما كانت or لم تكن. She wasn't. ما كان for male. ما كانتا for female. Or لم يكونا. They weren't. ما كانوا or لم يكونوا. They weren't. For masculine plural. ما كن or لم يكن. They weren't. For feminine plural. For making question form, we put هل at the beginning of the verb. For example, هل كنت? Was I? هل كنا? Were we? هل كنت? Were you? For male. هل كنت? Were you? For female. هل كنتما? Were you? For two persons. هل كنتم? Were you? For masculine plural. هل كنتن? Were you? For feminine plural. هل كان? Was he? هل كانت? Was she? هل كان? Were they? For two persons. For male. هل كانتا? Were they? For two persons. For female. هل كانوا? Were they? For masculine plural. هل كن were they for feminine plural. كان سجاد صغيرا or كان سجاد صغيرا. سجاد was small. كان was. سجاد سجاد it is a proper noun. صغيرة small. كان حميد طالبا or كان حميد طالبا. Hamid was a student. كان was. حميد Hamid a proper noun. طالبة a student. كانت مريم طالبة or كانت مريم طالبة. Maryam was a student. كانت was. مريم it is a proper noun. طالبة or طالبة a student. كنت مريضا or كنت مريضا I was sick. كنت was or I was. مريضا sick. كنا خائفين or كنا خائفين we were afraid. كنا we were or were. خائفين afraid. كنت خائفا or كنت خائفة you were afraid. كنت you were or were. خائفة afraid. كنت غاضبة or كنت غاضبة you were angry. كنت you for female or you were. غاضبة angry. كنت خائفة or كنت خائفة you were afraid for female. كنتما سعيدين you were happy for two persons for male. كنتما سعيدتين you were happy for two persons for female. كنتم سعداء you were happy for masculine plural. كنتن سعيدات you were happy for feminine plural. ما كنت مستعدا or ما كنت مستعدة or لم أكن مستعدة it means I wasn't ready. مستعدا it means ready. ما كانت مدرسة or ما كانت مدرسة or لم تكن مدرسة she wasn't a teacher. مدرسة or مدرسة is a teacher. ما كنا مسرورين or ما كنا مسرورين or لم نكن مسرورين it means we weren't happy. مسرورين or مسرورين it means happy. ما كان الطالب مريضا or ما كان الطالب مريضا it means the student wasn't ill. ما كان wasn't. الطالب student. مريضا ill or sick. مريضا or مريضة sick or ill. ما كان الجو حارا or ما كان الجو حارا. The weather wasn't hot. الجو weather حار run. It means hot. شكرا لكم. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.